My QR code isn't working. What should I do? If you scan your eSIM's QR code on iOS and get the unsupported eSIM message, don't worry. Just follow these steps. 1. Verify phone unlock status. Go to Settings, then General. Once there, tap on About. Scroll down to find Carrier Lock or Network Provider Lock. If you see SIM locked, your iPhone is locked. If you see no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked and ready to use an eSIM. 2. Verify that you have airplane mode turned off and connect to a strong Wi-Fi connection. This is crucial for eSIM activation. 3. Restart your device and try again. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve hidden issues. 4. If the previous steps don't work, try installing the eSIM manually using the codes we sent you via email.